In this video, I'll go over each command in Lite mode for Omega Mouse. The behavior of the different voice commands changes slightly depending on the mode that you have active. The main feature of Lite mode is that unlike full mode where there's two-phase clicking, with Lite mode, the movement of the cursor and the clicking of the cursor are separated into two distinct commands. Popping being move and yum or gum being click. In order to keep this video a little shorter, I'm going to skip over Omega Mouse, Omega Restart, Control Mouse, and Zoom Mouse, the first four commands, because they do the same thing in all the different modes. And if you want to learn about those, you can either read the README file, or you can check out my previous video on full mode, where I go over it. But let's get into demonstrating how the popping noise works in Lite mode. Omega Mouse, Omega Mouse, yum. As you can see, yum and gum are both words you can use for left click. They are, unlike full mode where you can do that second pop sound, in Lite mode, these are required for left clicks. If you have a custom voice that you like to use for your left clicking commands, you will have to add it to this Talon file, because you have to use the Omega Mouse left click function in order for this whole Lite mode to work with pausing the cursor in between clicks and stuff. Yum, yum, yum. Yummer and gummer are also two ways you can get out of, you can actually make a selection, and that will release modifier keys that you might have selected. I have a personal command called controller, which holds down the control key, so I'll show you how that works. Yum, yum, yum. Controller, yum, yum, yummer, yum, yum. There's also twill, which is a double click. Twill, yum, yum. Relo doesn't do anything in Lite mode. Drag will start a drag with the left mouse button. It'll release all mouse buttons prior to that, so that you can kind of, keep redragging. This is how the community repo works. Drag, yum, drag, drop, twill. It should be noted that in order to actually drop whatever you're dragging, you have to use the drop command, which is the next one. You can use drag end drag, or drop. Omega Mouse is overriding the community repo function mouse drag end, so any of those voice commands will work. Drag, drop, cut that, yum, yum, paste that, yum, drag, drag end, twill. And then the last thing is Well, Omega check state and wait also work the same way. So you can check out the full mode video or read the README, because those two functions also work the same in all the modes. So that's sort of how Lite mode works. It's a little clunkier in the moving, clicking kind of department, but it is also could work better in some situations where maybe you need to be moving the cursor around a lot and you don't want to be constantly having to use the phrase relo or what have you. So it's an option that's there. I hope you found this helpful, and thanks for watching.